You did a beautiful job with this. I love it. Your work is fantastic. I do love this shot. This is a little hard to read, but that's something for you to just think about. There are ways you could probably do it. It's just because, it's white here and darker here in the image. But it is lovely. I mean, you could put a very faint box behind it with a very, very low opacity and a blue like this, aqua. But, it's not any sort of deal breaker. When I try to go into it, here we go. Beautiful, a little grainy, but it more or less looks artistic, so it's not really a deal. Just the right amount of text here. You might want to consider whether you want your age there or not, because that changes. And you can say that you're a graduate rather than pursuing, because basically you're almost there. Unless you are sharing this site right now, then that's something. Very nice, lovely images. Okay, that's more or less decoration, I think, but it's fine. Loved all of the images. Some take a little bit of time to load, but yeah. Okay, so, and I did look through the quarantine project. I thought that was fascinating. I did like the shapes that you have in your nature. These are beautiful. The way they're juxtaposed is nice, very distant and then an up close is good. Some are blown out, but I know you did it on purpose. You know, beautiful. You've got elegance and a little bit of destruction, and but not overdone. So, the work is beautiful. The work is there. It's not repetitive. Some of the models are still there, but they're in completely different poses and different purposes. And so that's not something that we see a lot of. You do have this repeating with the same outfit, but they're pretty different as long as that's as far as we go. Your strength is when we have women who are strong, right? The seductive look is you haven't overdone it, but it does get overdone. So, but this is not overdone ever, or this. These are just great pieces of art. So terrific there. Anyway, I really don't need to go over your work itself. We're looking at the way the layout is, and it's nice. I like the way you have your borders there. This pops up slowly. Maybe you need to check the resolution. Maybe 3 of these is too much, maybe. But everything is good. The way it's laid out, you've got it grid-based, and that's what matters. This is nice. I do like looking at your work, so I do go through it a little bit. This is great. So let's see. Events and publicity. I do like the way you have this. Make sure that you have the words Adobe somewhere so that when someone is looking for your work, it comes up in your keywords as a search so they can find that. You have said here that it's Photoshop, and as long as all of this is Photoshop, that's fine. But it doesn't hurt to list some of your skills, all right? And I know I've looked at that too. So, all really great, I wish I could give you some further advice to move on, but I think you're good where you are. I am unable to look at your mobile site. because I don't think I received the get feedback link, right? This is your site. So you're going to either need to take a few screenshots of your mobile, at least the general layout, see how it looks, and how the menu is operating, right? Like if there are any big overlaps, if there's blanks somewhere, long gaps, you know, a variety of different things. Make sure everything's linking up. So otherwise, wish we were on campus, miss seeing you, and we'll definitely be following your work.